Welcome back to Trade Like Skills channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most sought after trading skills, sniper entries. If you have ever wondered how professional traders get those perfect entries with minimal drawdown, this video is for you. Stick around and I will reveal my step-by-step process for achieving sniper level precision in your trades. But before I begin, if you want good and accurate daily signals, you can check the link in the bio and tap on the link or the link in the description and join our free Telegram channel. This channel gives you daily analysis and mapping and also free signals. Join now. Let me see you there. Without wasting time, let's begin. What are sniper entries? Sniper entries refer to entering the market at the most optimal price, just before it moves significantly in your favor. The goal is to maximize reward while minimizing risk. This is all about precision, patience, and using the right tools to identify the key levels. Why are sniper entries important? Why bother with sniper entries? Two reasons as to why. One, reduced risk. By entering closer to critical levels, your stop loss is smaller, which means less capital at risk. Number two, higher reward to risk ratio. Precision entries allow you to capture the majority of the market move, leading to significantly better trade outcomes, guys. How to identify sniper entry points. Here is how you can achieve sniper entries. Start with the higher time frame. Analyze the higher time frame, like 4 hours or daily, to identify the key levels of support and resistance or liquidity. Zoom into the lower time frame. Drop to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes or 1 minute, to find precise entry points near these levels. Number 3, look for confirmation. Use price action patterns such as break and retest, order blocks, or fair value gaps, FVGs, and to confirm the entry. Number 4, wait for a reaction. Be patient and let the market come to your level. Don't chase the price. In this bullish setup, I identified another block on the 15 minutes chart, and this is gold. So this is our order block, and what I have to wait for is for the market to reach in this zone. So let's play this out and we see how the market reaches in the zone. Now that the market reached in our zone, the first thing we have to do, we have to mark this last high, and this is our new high now. So we are taking a trade from here to our last high or and above. So what we are going to do is to switch to 1 minute chart and we'll look for confirmation. Let us look for confirmation on 1 minute chart. Now look at what happened. This blue candle engulfed this one, meaning there is a change of character. So the market is changing character or is changing direction, but you have to identify it well. So when the market retraced back, tapped into this this order block, which means this is our new order block that has not been mitigated. So what I'll have to do is to set this up. If you want to learn more about this, you can still join my mentorship and learn more about these strategies. They are easy to master, and if you understand them well, you can make a lot of money, guys. So when the market moved here, we are waiting for the market to come into this zone to mitigate this candle, and then we target the highs. So we had to set our long position just here and we minimize our stop loss, because All this strategy is looking for us to minimize our what? Our losses or our risk. So let's play this out and we see how it moved. So the market moved like that. And boom, gave us a sniper entry. So this was a sniper entry targeting the last high's high. So I think we should switch back to 15 minutes chart and we see how it played out. So this is our 15 minutes chart and we want to see how this played out. I think you can see that we risked little to make about 111 pips. Yeah, so guys, for more information and for more strategies that you have to learn, and you have to understand the time frame or the time zones when you have to trade, and you understand what to use, you can link with me. Check the link in the bio and then join our free Telegram channel, and then you can talk to me. There is my WhatsApp, there is my Telegram. You can talk to me and then you start learning. Or if you want a breakthrough in forex trading, it's just near. You just don't see some things. Just keep it simple. I can teach you psychology of the markets and everything that you need to understand, guys. All right. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Let's meet in other videos that I'm going to be posting soon.